Alrighty, we got females out here today.
So look, you're gonna make sure you turn your traffic off, right? Well, we're gonna do it. So look, you're gonna stage. You probably want to stage at like 3.
Tell her what stage means. She don't know what stage means. You know what stage means?
No, you know what stage it is? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, bet.
So you're gonna stage at 3. And you just gonna get rid of the clutch as quick as you can. If you feel it sliding, you wanna get out the gas a little bit into the hook. Because if you slide, you're gonna lose. Like, cause you're not going nowhere when it slides. So if it slides, get out the gas just a little bit. If it come up in the air, which I doubt it to do, then you want to get out the gas a little bit. So the main thing is the hook and push. Hook and get out of there. So you I'm gonna stand right there. I'm gonna flag y'all. So you gonna get yourself together. You gonna stage at 3. And then once you get it there, then you look up and you nod your head. That means you're ready. If you don't nod your head, then that means you're not ready. And I'm not gonna hit the light. So get it to 3. Look up, nod your head.
She said she ready, y'all. Let's see.
Hey!
Well, I was telling her, spin it, get out of it. So look, you got traction?
Move it.
No. Okay, so look, you know what stage it is? You gonna stage? Did he tell you where to stage? Okay, so you gonna stage there, right? And then if you feel like the bike is burning out, don't stay in the gas. Get out of it a little bit and go. The main thing is to hook and get up out of there. So you gonna stay at that number where you gonna stage at.
And they leaving at 1,500.
15?
Hey, he already helped you.
All right.
Hey, CH got it.
Well, you already told her, like, you gotta... All right, so look. You gonna look up. After you finish staging, you gonna nod your head. When you nod your head, that means I'm gonna do that side, then that side. As soon as you nod your head, that means you're ready. And as soon as you see the light, take off.
Alrighty.
Hey, can we get somebody at the end?
Niggas ain't trying to slide down that motherfucking line.
I got 20 right here.
I got 22.
Yeah. I got 20. You want to bet? You want to bet? Bet on yourself.
Bet on yourself.
Bet on yourself. You say you want to race, bet on yourself. Have heart or go home.
Have heart.
Have heart or go home.
What, nigga? Whoa. Bro, that was... Nigga said, bro.
You was supposed to go that way.
Hey, come on, gang.
Hey, you was supposed to go that way.
Yo, Johnny, how you feeling, gang? What up, twin? How you feeling?
Man, good.
Good seeing you, man.
Yeah, you too.
Hell yeah, for sure.
Where that turbo thing at, man?
I'm gonna bring it out rare breed.
Okay.
I had just picked up another build, so I'm trying to get that shit done.
Okay.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir. I'm gonna have it out there though. We'll see it.
Oh,
Let's see.
Hey, while you sleeping?
Hey, y'all cool. Y'all just gonna work this young nigga out his money.
What'd you say? Say it again.
Ain't nobody that nigga you want to beat up, baby. Let the gas.
I'm dying. I'm dying. Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm about to get the long view right here, man. Let me see if I can get the good view. Nice little 60-footer, you know? Nice little 60-footer, you know? little good race though. I ain't gonna lie, that was a good one. That was a good little race. Coming in hot, boys. Let's see what we got, man.
Your sister not racing? I got double. Man, don't matter. I got dumb on her. It's true. She slid damn near into the bikes, nigga.
Hey, siete. Siete.
Hey, get back, man.
What you mean?
Back pair.
She rides street bikes. Who you going? Them two racing. Who she racing?
Hey, she racing. I got it. We like that green bike.
You picked her up? You picked her up? Nah, man, I ain't never rode this bike with the traction off.
Oh, that's why you burn rubber?
Oh, let them go right quick.
Rig videos. Come on, Twin. I see you. I see you. It's up. She got her dub in. She got her dub in, y'all. It's up.
So basically, hey, hold on. You don't give a fuck about what you weigh, like you said. Yes, it is. He can't attend the race. Yeah, he can't attend the race.
She said, look, I'm about to pull up too, Twin. Tender with the oohs and the ahs.
There you go. Let me sit up and sit out.
Get my little thumbnail, you know? That was scary or what?
And I just got a fucking car today too.
Oh yeah, you thugging. Thugging. What's up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you, man. Sir. For sure. Love. Just for a couple days. I'm out of here.
No, fuck that. Ask him why he want to race. Ask him why he want to race.
What we doing?
Why you want to race?
Come on, let's go.
Let him go.
We don't want to hear why. Why you want to race?
Road King versus Road King. It's about to be a movie. Let's see who we got. Who y'all got, man? Shit, we good now. Let's go. what we got. Let's go. Y'all see it. Pink Panther for the win. Pink Panther was out of there. Well, Pink Panther was out of there.
Not for the win, nigga. Come on. Come on.
He said, let's be respectful, man.
Hey, you said you lost today, nigga.
I'm dying.
Tear it off, nigga.
A crisp 50, huh?
We put it last night. There we go. There we go.
It ain't over yet. He said, pay it out.
Nigga, you got CDO.
Damn.
You got CDO money, nigga. Come on.
Damn.
Honey. Okay, then. Give me what you owe me, nigga.
He said, you know what you owe me, nigga. Look, look.
That nigga lost money. That's your problem.
Stupid man.
Money in the bank. They talking about. What's up with the white guy? You niggas is LAPD, my nigga.
Come on, man.
You got your subject. You got your subject, my dude. You doing bullshit. Okay. That was a good one.
Come on, man. You did that, huh? You left clean. Can we get a victory speech or not?
Something. No. Too quiet.
Well, we ain't getting all that.
Did good though? All good?
Yes, sir, man.
Good shit.
He said we made money, Pink Panther. Y'all see what's going on, man. It's up. We out here.